Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking in the Land Cruiser with simple shapes so proportions stay faithful. Draw a long, low rectangle for the body, then place a smaller cabin rectangle on top. This sets roofline and windows. Mark wheel centers with dots and sketch 2 equal circles per wheel location, front slightly ahead for the hood. Once done, check wheelbase and cabin alignment. Make sure to adjust height now, because correcting proportions later is harder and wastes time. Now you refine the block-in into recognizable Land Cruiser features. Start with the grille, draw a rectangular center with vertical bars and simple headlight blocks at each end. This anchors the face. Define the hood crease and bumper line, then add window frames and door seams. These give the side its character. Sketch fender bulges and wheel wells around the marked circles, draw rims and suggest tread with short strokes. Once done, erase construction lines to reveal finish by adding values and crisp details to sell the form. Shade under the body and inside wheel wells to create weight. Add subtle reflections on windows and curved surfaces to show volume. Draw roof rails, badge shapes, bumper details, door handles, and mirror highlights, small elements that make it a Land Cruiser. If lines look off, step back and compare proportions. Make sure to simplify busy areas rather than over-detail. If perspective seems wrong, nudge wheel ellipses and bumper lines until they read correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.